Good morning, everyone. What a pleasure to be here this morning with all of you on this beautiful, well-designed program by Brandman India. Let me take this wonderful opportunity to extend my heartiest congratulations to the organizers and my special thanks to Ankit Kaushik for inviting me here and giving me this beautiful opportunity to be part of this program. Respected Sudesh Beriji, all the dignitaries present here, all the people from the business community, MSMEs, my dear friends. Let me start with two of my very favorite lines. कि सभी दिशाओं से शुभ सुंदर भाव विचार भरे नित अंतर पुण्य धरा बन जाए स्वर्ग ये मेरे यत्नों से करुणा कर. What I'm trying to tell you here, whether it is north, south, east or west, whether you're in India or abroad, whether you are on the top of the hill or you're standing at a seashore, whether you are in a lush green garden and looking at some colorful flowers, or maybe looking at the most beautiful woman on earth, the fact is there are two things which are much more beautiful than what you can see with your naked eyes. And these two things are your thinking and your feelings. And the best part is that both the things are right within you. You don't even need eyes for that. On this very auspicious day, let's pray, hey Lord, give me good thinking, give me good feelings so that I can do good deeds. And through my good karma, I would love to convert this earth into heaven. This is what I believe. I'm sure you will also believe in the same. काम शुरू करते नहीं भय से नीचे लोग मध्यम तजते बीच में देख विषम संयोग पर उत्तम वे लोग जो हर दुर्गम पथ झेल दृढ़ता से बढ़ते कदम बाधाओं को ठेल. Now, before I give you the meaning of these two lines, let me admit that I belong to films, television, media, art and culture fraternity. And this is one business where we have never ever bothered to divide the society on the basis of caste, creed, religion, region, status, color, rich, poor, never. We have believed only in one religion, one dharma, and that is nation building. That's what we believe in. But still, I've gone out of way to divide the society on the basis of these three principles. कि काम शुरू करते नहीं भय से नीचे लोग. Who are the people who belong to the downtrodden community of the society? The C class. People who have 100 excuses ready for one single job. I don't even meet these kind of people. मध्यम तजते बीच में देख विषम संयोग. Who are the people who belong to middle class, B class, people with little push and pull, they try to get into some kind of a business, but minute they see bit of the hindrance, they try to run away from the battlefield. मर गए, लुट गए, बर्बाद हो गए, छोड़ दे, रहन दे, हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, होता ही नहीं. All those categories, you know it very well. पर उत्तम वे लोग जो हर दुर्गम पथ झेल. Who are the people who belong to A class, super class? People who have zest, enthusiasm, excitement to do something different. People who are innovative, people who are hardworking, people who are honest to their profession, people who want to achieve something in life, people who want to show to the world that they can do it, people who are honest to their work, people who are supporting, helpful, people who are ready to take opportunity, chance in life. I've categorized all these kind of people into the people of first class because they are the people who ultimately turns out to be the achievers of the society. And my dear friends, what a lovely day today. Not one, not 10, but almost 100 people today here, achievers from all over India to receive their award because you have done extraordinary well in your life, in your business. My heartiest congratulations to all of you. My dear friends, I still remember when I wanted to create a film city in Noida, I was almost declared a madman, foolish, crazy, film buff. फिल्मी कीड़ा काट गया. All those kind of things. और फिर कुछ दिल्ली में है तो पंजाबी की कुछ श्लोक. मैं तो यहाँ बोल भी नहीं सकता. So this is the kind of a response you get when you try to be innovative, different from the rest of the world. To cut short, I can only say that people from my own fraternity never supported and never they believed that something like this can be churn out from this place. My dear friends, I need not to say, you have just seen the film, but to cut short, I can only say that today, Noida Film City is the fastest growing film city in the world. 100 acres, 75 acres outdoor, 25 acres indoors, 16 studios, 350 channels are being broadcast to 162 countries 24/7. 17,000 people are working in 3 shifts of 8 hours each, and roughly 150,000 people, they are earning their bread because of this film city. I'm so thankful to Almighty that He has given me this beautiful opportunity to do something for the nation. और अब जब लोग कहते हैं नोएडा का फाउंडर या नोएडा फिल्म सिटी का फाउंडर, तब बड़ी तसल्ली होती है. शायद ऐसा ही आज कुछ आपके साथ भी है, क्योंकि जब आपके कार्यों के लिए, आपके कामों के लिए जब आपको सम्मानित किया जाता है, तो वो खुशी जो है ना बाज़ार में मिलती है और ना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दाम देकर मिल सकती है. वो खुशी अंदर से पैदा होती है. और आज अच्छी बात तो ये है कि आज वो खुशी आप यहाँ से लेकर घर जाएंगे. My dear friends, time is short, I know that. But then, being ambassador of Atmanirbhar, it is very important to bring back a point of Atmanirbhar today, because I think most of you are MSME. I was just checking with Mr. Kaushik. He says, yes, 97% they are MSMEs, they are business people. And you'll be surprised that 97% or 95% of the film, television and media, rather media and entertainment industry is also MSME. We are all our MSMEs. And I'm thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister for giving this beautiful word to the nation called Atmanirbhar. And if you look at the dictionary, you will find Atmanirbhar means self-sufficient or self-reliant. But I have given a new definition to Atmanirbhar. Because when I say A stands for being ambitious. दिल तो छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल तो छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा. हम सब छोटी आशाएं लेके आगे बढ़ते हैं. And that's what is needed. Today time has come, my dear friends, when you have to think big, plan big, design big, and dream big. Dreams are not the one which comes in your sleep. Dreams are the one which should never let you sleep. India is growing, we are progressing, we are the 4th biggest economy of the world. We all have to be the 3rd biggest economy, and it is only possible when each and every person is going to work hard, think big, plan big, design big, do big. That's what is needed. When I say T stands for techno-savvy. Pandemic has taught us enough, no doubt about it. But then what I would love to request you today is that you have to create a mindset that I am ready to change. I'm ready to accept what is a huge, massive change which is coming in every field, mind you. Media and entertainment seeing the massive change, no doubt about it. But it's coming in everything. Metaverse, blockchain, artificial intelligence. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Another year and 2, you'll be surprised the whole world will become a magical world. So you have to cope up with all that if you want to survive. And what you need to carry today from this auditorium is that I am ready to change, ready to accept. मैं बदलने के लिए तैयार हूँ. इतना रहे ख्याल सताने के साथ साथ कि हम भी बदल रहे हैं ज़माने के साथ साथ. याद रखिए. M stands for motivation. I'm very well traveled. I represent Government of India. I'm a cultural ambassador for my country. I'm representing other way around also, 92 countries in India. But the best part is that wherever I go, whichever city I move, I try to get into some of the best malls to see how they are organized. And the first thing which I try to find out to buy is motivation. Trust me, my dear friends, I could not find motivation for sale. It has to come from within. You have to motivate your own self. Never feel disheartened, never feel cheated, never feel let down. And any and every problem which is coming your way, my dear friends, whether it is from the government side or from your private side, from your labor side or your friend side, from your family side or from inside or outside, See to it that that is nothing but a stepping stone to your next level. Make it a point. ये जितनी मुसीबतें आ रही हैं, ये मेरे आगे बढ़ने का, अगले कदम रखने का एक तरीका है, यही सीढ़ी है. And if you will think that way, nothing will stop you to grow in life. That much I can only tell you. When I say A, the next A stands for attitude. It's very important that we all should come back to the originality, what we are known to the world. We are simple, humble, down to earth, polite, sympathetic, compassionate, helpful, supporting, and must believe in our art and culture. That's what India is all about. I'm traveled to large number of places. The minute you show your passport at immigration, the response changes. They welcome you, they love you, only because they know that Indians are real, nice human beings. We have to carry this forward. Whatever business you may be in, carry these kind of an attitude with you, and trust me, no looking back. Not only that you will save the culture of the country, but you will also grow yourself into this very high-rising situation in the country. Atman, A-T-M-A-N. N stands for being nationalist. Never criticize your country. बहुत कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं सरकारों की, उसके बगैर जो दूसरे काम है उसके बगैर काम भी नहीं बढ़ता अगर बिजनेस में है तो. But that's is away from being nationalist, being patriotic, and that nationalism has to flow from your words, from your body language, and never let anyone criticize your country. Develop that patriotism, that nationalism, and see where the country will fly. कि जिस ओर चले हम मस्ती में, झुक जाए उधर अंबर भूतल, आजाद वतन के वाशिंदे, हर गीत हमारा है बादल. विविध है अपनी अपनी भाषा के अभिमानी हम, लेकिन सबसे पहले दुनिया वालों हिंदुस्तानी हम. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये मत भूलिए कि आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं, इंडियन हैं, और मत बोलने दीजिए किसी को अपने देश के अगेंस्ट. When I say I, the next I stands for information. Thanks to internet, bombardment of information, you're going mad. Right from your WhatsApp to your emails to your websites to what not. But my dear friends, remember that information is being thrown on you. You have to be smart enough what to accept and what not to. Please divide your time into two major segments: nice to know and necessary to know. Please spend your precious time first on necessary to know, and if you think you have spare time, there is no harm in learning more, understanding more, entertaining yourself from all that what is being thrown to you through this information. Please never trust every information which is given to you on your WhatsApp. Half of the things are probably fraud sometimes. Investigate yourself and look into, counter check, and then rely on them, because half of the people, they are getting befooled through all that which is thrown through these WhatsApp and all those unnecessary information. R, Nirbhar. R stands for research. The word research, unfortunately, was missing from the Indian business community. People not even bothered. एक 10, 20, 30, 40 लाख की गाड़ी खरीद के लाते हैं, मंदिर ज़रूर ले जाएंगे माथा टेकने के लिए, और उसके बाद गाड़ी स्टार्ट करके बाहर निकल गए. 97% लोग मैनुअल भी नहीं देखते, पढ़ते ही नहीं. गाड़ी के अंदर इतना मोटा मैनुअल होता है, उसको पन्ने तो पलट लो. मैडम जाएंगी घर की, माइक्रोवेव ओवन ले आएंगी खरीद के, और सीधा बिजली के प्लग में गया, पहली बार ही में ही उड़ गया. They didn't even bother to read the manual. कि अरे वो 110 वाला था, आपने 220 में डाल दिया. This is the biggest mistake we've been doing because we don't research into the subject. रात को 4 दोस्त बैठे, सोडा डाला, एक प्लान बनाया और सुबह एक्सरसाइज शुरू कर दी. वो बीच का जो पीरियड था रिसर्च का, वो मिसिंग है. So my humble submission to all the MSMEs here, all the business professionals here, please make word research as a compulsory word in your system. एक slip लगा लीजिए अपने टेबल के ऊपर research लिखकर. Anything you're trying to get into, you're meeting someone, learn about him or her. When you are interacting with some company, learn about that company before you actually go for your MOUs or for any setup. If you are starting a new business, study hard, get into the details of the business, make detailed project reports. Project reports कैसे बनती हैं? 10-20 हज़ार किसी कंपनी को दिया, प्रोजेक्ट बना दे. उसने भी इधर उधर से कॉपी किया, प्रोजेक्ट बना के दे दिया, आपने अप्लाई कर दिया और खुद को पता ही कुछ नहीं कि हो क्या रहा है. आई एम टॉकिंग आफ्टर माय रिसर्च, माइंड यू. And this is the mistake we are doing it. We don't go back to our history. We don't learn about sale. We don't even study our own families. Which family you belong to? What is your family history? What your ancestors been and what they all have done? What your family tree is all about? Even if you start from there, you will get into the habit of actually finding details of anything and everything you're trying to get into. And trust me, your next step is going to be so solid that you will never ever fail in life. It's only lack of research which actually fails the new businesses. So I'm on the national board of MSME, BJP, and these 70% of the reason for the failure of new businesses because they have never ever bothered to research about the project, what they're trying to get into. So R stands for research. Atmanirbhar B. B stands for belief. Believe in yourself. Believe. Develop that conviction, my dear friends. Anything what you're trying to get into. Believe in your family, believe in your workers, believe in your principals, believe in your partners, believe in your suppliers, buyers. Believe, develop that trust into the community. Unfortunately, that trust is missing from the society, from the business, from the community. If there is no trust, there cannot be any business, my dear friends. You cannot grow. I know that there will be a failure. I know there will be misfires. 100 से डील करेंगे, एक आध बेईमान निकल ही आता है. बट 99 में आपको उसका हवाला भी दे जाएंगे, उसका नुकसान उससे कई ज़्यादा आपको ट्रस्ट करने से फ़ायदा पहुंचा जाएंगे. सो द बी स्टैंड्स फॉर बिलीव. एच स्टैंड्स फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी. यू मे बी belong to any religion, any caste, creed, that doesn't matter. But all that religions you have to keep back home. The minute you are out of the door, it is only H stands for humanity, manavta. That's the biggest religion on this earth. You have to believe in human beings, my dear friends. And if you have love and affection for each and every one, trust me, we will be able to take businesses to a new height, absolutely to a new scale. BHA. The next A stands for all-rounder. You may be doing very well in your business, excel in your business, but remember that country is growing and they need more entrepreneurs. And trust me, you are already an established entrepreneur. Look into the sideline. Learn about second subject, because you never know when your second subject, second line of business may become the biggest business, even bigger than what exactly you are in today. So always keep a sideline open or a mindset open that I am ready to add on to my business, because that will raise the level of business in this country. And last but not the least, it's R, and last R stands for result-oriented. Anything and everything what you're trying to get into, please see to it the time, labor, resources, attention, whatever you're giving to any damn thing. See to it that what results I am getting out of it. Even if today out of this convention is summit, even if one good contact you're going to make at the end of the day, trust me, it will be worth attending a summit like this. And I think that makes the complete definition of Atmanirbhar. Thank you very much, my dear friends, for giving me this opportunity, listening to me so patiently. And before I leave the stage, let me speak two more lines. कि विभासित कर गगन भूतल, तिमिर को ज्योति देता चल, निराशा के अंधेरे को मिटा दे ले प्रभंजन बल। कहीं पूनम अमावस्या, कहीं उलझन, कहीं फिसलन, कहीं कांटे, कहीं पहरा कटिल बंधन। यहां प्रतिकूल है सब कुछ, कहीं मरुस्थल, कहीं बादल, मगर तू मुस्कुराता चल, दिशाएं हो उठे उज्जवल, मगर तू मुस्कुराता चल, दिशाएं हो उठे उज्जवल। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद, जय भारत। मेरे साथ एक बार पूरी एनर्जी के साथ नारा लगाएंगे, भारत माता की। थैंक यू वेरी मच।